Oh, it's a heavy hailstorm here. As you can see, me and my daughter, we are out and we are enjoying the hailstorm. You can already see the hailstorm falling on us.
Yeah. And this thermal balls.
Hope you also enjoy your weather wherever you are in the world.
Yeah.
See you, bye.